Hello, my friends. Welcome to another episode of my analysis. Today we are looking at Bitcoin, and I will show you exactly how what to expect and how you can make money from Bitcoin. So if you are interested in making money from trading Bitcoin, I want you to pay attention. You will learn a lot of new things in this analysis. Now, this is the weekly chart. This is the weekly time frame for my Bitcoin, and you can see that price has been in a decisive uptrend, moving consistently up with price printing higher highs and higher lows. So, but currently we have a semblance of double top configuration that is happening on Bitcoin. So this is the first top and this is the second top. But there's something that is unique that is happening here. You can see that price is consolidating around this significant high. This is a significant high that Bitcoin has printed. So, but right now price is consolidating around this significant high. For 5 straight weeks, price has consolidated. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 straight weeks, price continued to consolidate around this high. And when this happens, it means that the market is strong. It means strength for the market. So generally, in the world of trading, when price consolidates around a significant high, it means that that market is strong and that it is bullish. Conversely, when price consolidates around a significant low, it means that that market is weak and that the bears are in charge. So in this particular case with Bitcoin, you can see that this consolidation is around the significant high, and this indicates that this market is strong and that there will be breakout to the upside very soon. Now, this is just a matter of time before this breakout happens. And what is the estimated target for this breakout? It is this 140k price level. So this is the target that we are aiming for when this breakout finally happens, and I will explain the different scenarios that you can have regarding this market contest. Now, this is another point of strength that you have to pay attention to. When this market formed this all-time high, it started to drop to this major demand zone, and then market suddenly started to pick up, started to jump up from this demand zone. So when you analyze these candlesticks that formed from this demand zone and pushing to the upside to this level, you will see that these are strong candlestick patterns. These are bullish and decisive candlesticks. So this is also adding to the fact that this market is not reversing soon, because these candles are strong. So the bulls are in charge. This is a bullish candle, a bullish candlestick, a bullish candle, and just like that. So this is a bullish and decisive candle spectrum that happened from this demand zone. So this is also telling you that there is a high probability that price is going to push to this 140k price level. So this is the first case scenario. Now the second case scenario, now you can have price first pushing low to this level before the eventual takeoff to this 140 price zone. So you understand that this is the market, and we have different participants in the market. So you can have a number of traders who are looking at this double top configuration, and they are selling and hoping that price is going to depreciate, that this double top will hold and price will depreciate so they can make some money. So but I suspect that those traders are going to be trapped and that this double top will not hold, and that is why I'm doing this analysis, and that's why I'm calling on you to buy and don't sell and don't trade this double top. You should buy instead. So in the event that you see price crashing to this level that I have marked out, this is like the 50% Fibonacci level on this swing. If you measure this swing from this swing low to this swing high, this is the 50% zone. So when in the event that price falls to this zone, it is your opportunity to buy more. So you don't have to sell, because those who sold and push price to this level, they are going to be trapped if they continue to hold their position, because this price action is indicating that there is strength in this market and price is going to appreciate and reach and hit our 40k price zone. So I want you to sell, I want you to buy, do not sell like others, because do not trade this double top because it is weak and there is momentum towards this region. So it means that price will go beyond it, and that this market, the bulls are still in charge. So if you see price dropping to this level, this 50% fib support zone, it is called manipulation, it is called trap, and then you should not follow them or else you'll be trapped. So you have to buy instead of selling. So buy and aim for this price. Now, this is what you need. When you buy, you have to be patient because the markets don't move in straight lines. The markets don't move in straight lines. So when you buy, you have to be patient and allow the market to work out. Remember that this is a weekly time frame and I'm sharing a long-term perspective for you. So this target will be achieved in the coming weeks and in the coming months. So you don't have to be in a hurry when you buy. So you have to buy, hold your positions patiently, and do not tamper with them. So eventually this market is going to reach this price level and then you will win. Now, how did I arrive at this price level? Now, when you look at this swing, it's going to be a case of ABCD price harmonics. So look at this swing. This is A, B, C, and then D. The completion is around 100% fib extension. So this is the completion point for this A, B, C, D harmonic. So this is why I expect that this price, this is a near target for this price, and market is going to reach it sooner or later. So I am calling on you, if you listen to this analysis, to prepare to buy Bitcoin. Do not sell Bitcoin. Even if you see the price crashing to this level, this should be your opportunity to buy more at a discounted price and do not sell. So I will be buying Bitcoin and I'm going to make a lot of money from this contest that I've shared with you. So Bitcoin is in a uptrend. Bitcoin is forming a semblance of double top, and then we are hoping that this double top configuration will fail, and then price will push further to our target and trap the sellers, and then we will make money. Because in the market, when the counterparty loses money, that's when you can make money, because it's a zero-sum game. It's a zero-sum game. So when one person loses, you will make money. So I do not want anyone to sell. I don't want anybody to be trapped. So you have to pay attention and then buy Bitcoin. So this is my overview for Bitcoin, and I hope that it helps you trade better. I hope that you're able to make profit from this analysis. So when you see Bitcoin dropping to this level, don't be scared. You have to buy more. When you see Bitcoin breaking from this level and pushing higher, don't be scared. You have to jump in and buy. So, but I suspect, because of my years of experience in the market, I suspect that this particular scenario can happen where Bitcoin will first tap this level again first before eventually pushing to the upside. So I expect Bitcoin to push down a little, then trapping the buyers, and then price unwinding all their position and pushing to our target. So this is what I expect. But in case this does not happen, it does not invalidate my analysis. You can still have several opportunities of entering your long positions on Bitcoin and then aiming for this target. So this is my analysis on Bitcoin, and I hope that you enjoy it. Hope that it helps you trade better. So buy Bitcoin, do not sell Bitcoin. Thank you, and I wish you all the best in your trading endeavors.